Hey, I'm back. It's your boy Caleb, and today's my birthday. March 27, March 27, 2012 is when I was born. So this means today is officially my birthday. I am officially I'm 13 now, which means I'm a teenager now, which is really scary. Anyway, for a birthday video, since it's a little bit of a special, I'll give you a few videos today. We're going to be playing Dogman Mission Impossible. Now, I love this game. The reason being is because Dogman is actually my favorite book series ever. It's funny, it has action and stuff. It's really good. Have you read Dogman? Have you read Dogman before? If you hadn't, go check it out. You can buy the books at Walmart or something. Hey. 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 No, I don't want to do the account that I have. I don't think you can really choose a file. I'm gonna go to the Kirby account. And I'm gonna play it. Then I can play Dogman Mission Impossible. Well, yeah. It's a little PD. Hey, I love this. Alright, let's do it. Downtown, let's go. Yeah, here we go. I played this game a little bit when I first got it, and it was a Valentine's Day gift. But I wanted to play it for my birthday. A bunch of stuff that happened. Oh, here we go. Breaking news: the mayor is about to award the key to the city. That's Sarah. Cat Kid, the Bark Knight, and Lightning Dude. The key has been given to our favorite heroes. Super Buddies. What an honor for Super Buddies. That's not them. Ease, they look a bit different than I remember. Nope, it's not them. The Fleas! Thanks for the key, it'll unlock our true potential. The Bark Knight was Piggy all along. Breaking news, the key to the city has been stolen. What happened now that Piggy has the key? Grandpa. And more importantly, where are the real Super Buddies? Meanwhile, Dogman, answer the phone. Oh, my nose itchy. Hello, Dogman. Did you get my messages? Are you going to the farmer's market this weekend? They have the best. Wait, don't distract me. The city needs your help. Piggy has stolen the key to the city. Mayor has approved unlimited overtime until the key is returned. Unlimited, think of all the top shelf dog food you can buy. Now get moving and find that key. We're counting on you. I'm playing as Dogman. Alright, so you still got to stick to me. I know how to play. Yeah, I don't even know how to play. Just beat a jump. Beat again. I'm gonna go get over there. Woo! Dodgy! Okay, I'm I'm guessing. Oh, weenies, like in book 1. It's the weenies, like in book 1. Okay, drop on enemies to stun them. Oh, I thought you could do that to kill them. No. The heart. Okay. Oh, I turned into one of the super buddies. What's his name? Bark Knight. Yeah, Bark Knight. Whoa. This game is. If you guys haven't played this game, you got to. Alright, it's fun. Go. Where do I need to go? Oh, tackle! I can book. Which one? Unleashed. Kill 2 kittens. Dogman and Cat Kid. Lord of the Fleece. Wild. For whom the law rules, and Fetch 22. Book 8, like in book 8. Alright. Go. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a checkpoint, I'm guessing. Woo! More weenies! These dudes are idiots! Dudes are idiots. Check with Petey to restore health. Oh yeah, there's Petey. Yeah, if you don't know who Petey is, he's the he was the villain of Dogman, of the Dogman books, but he then got a redemption arc. But he then had like a little redemption arc as the books went on. I think it started in book 5 or something. I think it started in book 5 or something. I don't know. Oh my god, I love this game. Can you check how much badges you need to get? Yeah. Get away from the weenies. Destroy all weenies. Gotta destroy all weenies. I got my 3rd badge. I think if I eat enough dog treats. So the first 2 are hidden, and you have to eat these. Yeah, I get these dog treats. I get these dog treats. I get these dog treats to get the 3rd one. Oh, City. It's Sarah! And then Sarah gives you the last badge. Goldman did it again. Yeah, Sarah's actually Australian. She said in book 4. She's Australian. Hey. Okay, epic stuff. What's this? The comic club has gone missing. Help me find them and I'll reward you with full art. Oh yeah, I forgot. Flippy. Yeah, Flippy. Another Dogman villain who had a redemption arc. I think he started in book 3, but then we hadn't seen him until but he came back in book he came back in book 8. Yeah, he came back and he was actually a good guy. He was just super angry. He was super angry. Wait, I gotta stop on birds. Okay, I can just. Oh crap. Yeah, got him. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh, that's what they do. They don't they can't hurt you if you do that. Little Petey! Cat Kid, Little Petey. Dogman, thanks for finding me. I heard the key to the city is missing. ADHD and I went to investigate, but we got separated. I think he's deeper in the city. Let's go find ADHD. Okay, so I can change my character now. How do I do that? Press X. Oh yeah! Now I can play as Little Petey. Oh, he probably didn't jump as high. He probably doesn't jump as high. he doesn't jump as high. I don't think he jumps as high. So I might have to mostly play with Dogman. Wait, I forgot where the badges were. Like, I have to look for them. I can't like let any badge go. Like, I know Dogman. Okay, Little Petey's too small. Yeah, Little Petey can't jump this high. Well, he can go into like small spaces. I haven't found a badge yet. Like, can you check? I don't know if you can check how many badges you got. Can you? No, I don't think you can check how many badges you've gotten and the ones you still need to get. Tadpole. Darn it, missed it. Like, Lil Petey can't jump as high. I haven't watched the Dogman. I haven't watched much of the Dogman movie yet. Have any of you watched the Dogman movie? Oh crap! Get away from the weenies! Get away from the weenies! And there we go. Whoa! Okay, good. Bro, where's that next badge? Where's the badge? Oh, there's one. This should be my second one, unless I missed it. Do they like despawn, like the ones that you get automatically that fall? Do they despawn? I don't know. I'm too busy collecting them. Oh crap! Okay. Oh crap! Oh my god! Come on, no! I fell down the hole. Come on, I gotta get that badge. Come on. No! Ah, crap. Again. Okay, come on. No. Yeah, oh, that was the second one. I thought I missed one. Right. Okay, yep, I got the third one already. Yeah, get away from me, birdie. Hey, look! A birdie! Let's go catch it. Yeah! And I got the last badge. The Super Buddies did it again! Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see what I got. Oh, Arthur Little Petey. Oh, so I gotta get 45 of them. I guess they're hidden. Bro, this game is so fun. You gotta play it. Like, we kind of got like one of the last ones at Walmart. Like, they had it at Walmart. Well, but like we got we had like one of the last ones. It was like there was like I think there was like 2 in there. it was like 2 in there, and we like quite literally we got the last one. We got like I think we got one of the last ones. Oh, they still come up. Oh, they still come up even if you stand on the hole. They still do. Ah, crud. Oh, there it is. Oh no. Okay, good. I'm too scared to die in this game right now, bro. Woo! Woo! Ha! Oh my God! Oh, it's a thing. What is that? What is that? I don't think I've seen that in the books. I don't think I've seen like one of those buildings in the books. I don't think I've seen like one of those things in one of those monsters. I mean, I saw beastie buildings. Oh, look at these idiots. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, now I remember. Little Petey. If I use Little Petey on these like little blocks that are about to break, he won't break them. Like Dogman, he'll break them a little bit. He'll break them a bit, but it'll slowly break. Whoa, I'm scared, bro. Where's ADHD? Shouldn't I have found him by now? There he is! ADHD! There you are! Alright, we're back together. ADHD will really come in handy. Now let's keep moving. Super buddies are go! What can ADHD do? What can he do? Let's see. What can he do? Oh, he has a higher jump than Dogman. He has a high jump. So his jump is like better than Dogman. Careful. Oh, he can't walk on those. I think because he's so big, he might break them all. So, see, he's gonna break them all. Oh, need ADHD. He can hide it. Whoa. Okay, what is this mailbox monster? I hadn't seen him in the book. I don't know if I saw him in the books. Stun him! Well, Petey, yeah, since he can't break them, okay. Be very careful because, Lil Petey, he can't really jump. He can't jump as high. He can't jump as high as everyone else because Woo! Got the second badge. Okay, need the third one, and then the last one I get from Sarah. Alright. Move. Is this like a jazz music? Is this jazz? I guess it is. I don't remember a tambourine being used in jazz. Is there a tambourine in jazz? Is that part of the jazz family or something? Dogman will slowly break them. Kitty! Oh God. The musical Petey. Ah yes. He can't be hit by them. Yeah, get out of here. Don't touch me. Right there. Careful. Go. Alright. Oh no, there's one right there. Okay, get away. Ah, I gotta do it. Ah, lots of health. Woo! And Sarah! We did it! The Super Buddies did it again. We probably ADHD. So we can get these. We get these like little things of art, I guess. Like every time we complete a level, every time like we get like one of the tadpoles, we find a tadpole. I'm so used to using A. Can I like remap the buttons or something? Oh, if you press Y, they go backwards. Okay. If you press Y, you can rotate them backwards. Oh no, it says sprockets. Get ADHD up. Okay, Lil Petey. We gotta get Lil Petey. Nah, crap. Okay. Dogman will break them though. He won't break them as much. Ah, crap! Dirt-proof pants? Oh, I can dig now. Oh, and there's a tadpole over there. Alright. So Dogman can dig. Okay, press A. Oh! That just made the game so much easier. That made this so much easier. Although I don't know why I need pants. I think in some of the books he did dig holes. You know, who are some characters I wish like that could be back in the books, like back in future books? One of them is Yoei crazy because she was in book 4 and then was in book 6. Yeah, book 4 and 6, and then she never was seen again. And she was never seen again in the series. I think it was a cameo in book 7, but I didn't mess. Whoa! It's a fire hydrant. Oh, it's a fire hydrant. Oh my god. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Yeah, get out of here. Yeah. Leave me alone. Yeah. Bruh, another fire hydrant? No. Bad fire hydrant. You stay stunned and think about what you have done. You stay stunned and think about what you've done. Yeah, stay stunned. No! Ugh! Fell down the hole. Darn it, I fell down the hole. Woo! Woo! How was I supposed to make that jump? I don't think there was a fire hydrant monster. Oh, I was supposed to go the other way. Okay. Dogman, get away from me. Get the puppy yum yums, whatever these are. Get away from me. Ew! A skunk! Ew, a skunk! Ew, a skunk! Yo, you gotta hate it when you get sprayed by a skunk. You gotta hate it when you get sprayed by a skunk. Like, I'm pretty sure everyone hates that. Ugh. Ew, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. No! Oh! Yeah, please, come on, let's get some health. Let's get some. Oh. I changed my clothes, everybody. Already? Alright, how am I gonna get that badge though? I'm gonna get that badge. The gold PD's too small and ADHD can't fit. So either I can leave it. No, I'm not gonna leave it. I probably need to do it. How do I do this? Somebody help me! Oh, I see. I gotta dig. Oh, okay. I see. I gotta dig. Oh wait. Oh, there was more. Okay. I thought like I didn't have to dig anymore. All right. The second one by eating more of the puppy treats or puppy yum yums. I think that's what the box said. Oh, yeah. Little Petey can get on these. He won't break them. He's probably like small enough. Ah! Ew, Winnie's! Destroy all Winnie's! Destroy all Winnie's! Destroy all Winnie's! We must destroy all Winnie's! Yeah, get away! Yeah, get away from me! Yeah! This is like the opening chapter to book like to one of the chapters in book 4. I don't know what it was called. I forgot what it was called. Oh, it's Marky McTreeface from book 8. This is from book 8. I remember him. Barky McTreeface was an evil, rotten bloke. He was green and mean and also lean. Then with limbs made out of oak. Barky McTreeface. Ah, these skunks! They're annoying! Ah, these stupid skunks! Get away from me! No, get away from me! Ah! Bad mailbox monster! Go over there and think about what you've done! Are you freaking kidding me? What? You can't crouch? Nope. Woo! Maybe I gotta jump on him? Oh, I probably need to get like some gears. I probably need to get some gears. Yeah, stepped on the skunk. Woo! Oh wait, yeah. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this dude, bro. I'm getting sick of this mailbox monster. Be a good mailbox monster and go away. No one likes you, mailbox monster. No one likes you. You suck. You like barfing. You like barfing letters on everybody. No one likes you, mailbox monster. No one. No one cares about you, mailbox monster. No one likes you. Like you stink. You stink. You smell. You smell. You suck. What is that? It's like it's those ones from the sewers, but like they're pipes and pipes. Okay, so I just gotta get away from them. All right. Come on, I need some gears. Get away from me, you stinky little raccoon! You stinky little rat! Get away from me, you stinky little raccoon! Get away from me, you stinky little raccoon! No one likes you. You stink. You smell. You smell. Literally. You smell. Oh, darn it! Forgot. ADHD can't go on those. He can't go on those. Because he'll break them. He'll just break them automatically. He's probably heavy. Right. Oh wait, can I get up there? Oh. Ew. Get away from me! Bad, Barky McTreeface. Bad. Yeah, I jump. Don't you be coming for me. This is like hand drawn or something. Get away from me, filthy animal. Then you little pieces. See, because he can't get hit by them. He's small enough to dodge some projectiles, I'm guessing. That. Jump back over here. Little jumps back over here. Get those. Woo! Tadpole. I wish I could wall jump. Disgusting. Oh, I probably can't go up there. Ah, crap. More of these disgusting sewer things. Ew! Ew. And the skunks! Get these stupid things away from me. I don't even feel bad at all for running over a skunk, okay? I don't feel bad at all for running over a skunk. They're gross. They can spray you. They can probably make you lose your vision. Woo! Okay. No one likes skunks, okay? Get away from me, skunk. No one likes you. No! Get away from the skunk. Alright, good. Barky McTree face. Get away from me. Another Barky McTree face? Maybe I'm not done digging. Very good. Get away! That was fun though. Anyway, if you like this video, subscribe, like, do all that. Make sure you wish me a happy birthday. Today's my birthday. And remember, be safe, be smart, be kind, do whatever you can, live a long and happy life. Bye. Back to the mic. Yeah.